Hey, hon. So I was thinking.
This isn't about buying a jetpack again, is it?
Never mind. What are you waiting for? You're closer.
I'm sorry, but that's your brother.
Fine. Hello?
Hey bro, what's going on?
Nothing. Just reading the funnies. You know me. Hey, hold on a second. Hey, didn't you want to tell Mike about what you told me last night? Never mind, dude. So what's going on?
Oh, nothing much. Just wanted to check in with you guys and say hi to my two favorite nephews.
Oh, well, they're fine. Hold on a second. I think they're playing iPad. 1 second. Hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, there you guys are.
Come on, man, don't give up now.
What are you doing?
We're training for the Olympics.
Really? The Winter Olympics? Okay, then what sport?
I think they're awesome at Nerf Wars.
What? Guys, I don't even know what you're talking about. There's not even an Olympic sport called Nerf Wars.
So I did 8,000 push-ups for nothing?
You did 8,000 push-ups?
Every time I call them.
There's no way you did 8,000 push-ups.
Hello? Anybody there?
Oh, that's right. Uncle Mike's on the phone and he needs to talk to you guys about something. I don't know.
Uncle Mike!
Whoa, easy. Who wants it?
Hi.
Oh, hey guys. So, has the dinosaur left the nest?
Coast is clear.
Thank goodness. We need to keep this under wraps.
Dude, Mike needs our help. So what do you need?
So you guys know my new roommates, Nick and Jalen. They've been acting a lot more strange than usual lately, and as you guys know, they're pretty strange already.
What are you talking about?
So for the past few days, I've been trying to do our daily vlogs, and it's just been so hard because they just don't have any interest in anything I want to do. They're emotionless, they're not happy, they're not talking normal, they're really out of character. What's up everyone? So today I have something really fun planned that is a surprise to the guys. They don't really know what's happening, so I thought now would be a good time to surprise them and let them know the super fun thing we're gonna be doing. So today, we're going laser tagging.
Laser tag is a pointless human activity.
I think what Nick's trying to say is that we'll enjoy partaking in your human activity.
What is wrong with you guys? I just don't know what to do. That's why I called you guys, because you're always finding yourself in weird situations. So I thought you can help me.
Aaron, give me 5 minutes. So what's the deal? Mike thinks his friends are alien robots. I think I gotta check the manual for this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, alien robots. You got to be kidding me. Okay, check this out. Your friends are actually controlled by alien robots.
Alien robots? No way! You gotta be kidding me.
Lucky for you, we know how to stop them.
Well, can you help me? I don't want to get my brain melted. I like my brain.
Dude, we're 7 states away. We can't be there in person. You're gonna have to do this yourself.
But how can I stop them?
Stand by.
You guys there? Is there anything in there that says that I can protect my brain with a tinfoil hat?
What do you mean stand by? I heard Daddy talking about Operation Phoenix. Where do you think that we can find it? Let's do it!
Access denied.
They don't recognize me. Show me what's Daddy's face. Where can we find Daddy's face? I have an idea.
Access granted.
Let's use this to find Uncle Mike. Zoom in on that. Let's try street view. There it is! Okay, we found you. I'm hacking into your network. Now we can see what you're seeing. Ammo crate is coming in.
I see the box. I think I can make it. Guys, I got the package. What do I do?
Come on, Uncle Mike, you already know. Lock and load.
Come on, Mike.
Don't you want to make some lit vlogs?
Stay away. I know you guys are robot aliens.
Oh, darn.
He figured us out.
Activate offense mode.
Great idea, Nick. I value your input.
I value your input, too.
No. They're not friends. That's not possible.
Oh, this doesn't look good. Dude, we gotta help him. Let's send more ammo.
Oh, there you guys are. So what are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, that's not weird at all. Okay, obviously you guys are doing something. What's going on? Seriously.
I was checking out your awesome PC.
Oh, you guys like that? It's a pretty beast. Well, that's all you're doing then. Fine by me. Carry on. Guys. Do you know where the twin shock is? It's my favorite gun.
I think he left it upstairs.
Oh yeah, I didn't check up there. Okay, thanks, Eli.
Dude, that was a close one. Houston, we got a problem. What now? Lost internet connection. Now how are we gonna help him? This isn't working. Come on, maybe we need to save Uncle Mike. Wait, I got an idea. Follow me. What are we looking for? A rocket launcher, dude.
Oh, there you guys are. Where's the twin shock? Come on, it's my favorite gun. And why are we out here?
Oh, nothing.
Okay, guys, obviously you're lying. Seriously, stop it right now. Tell me what is going on.
Okay, we'll tell you. It's for Uncle Mike.
Uncle Mike? Is he okay?
He's being attacked by alien robots.
And what were you trying to find to help him?
I was gonna use a rocket launcher to help him.
Rocket launcher? That's not gonna reach him. He's like several states away. You guys are gonna need something that's gonna actually reach him. Way over there. And something that I've been working on for a while. You ready to see it?
Yeah!
Hey guys, come on. Come on.
How is that gonna reach Uncle Mike?
With this.
This is the end, human. We're going to control your mind. You will become one of us.
I can't believe it! You're not meant to be friends! No!
What the heck happened?
Last I remember, you two were alien robots trying to eat my brain, and then everything got fuzzy.
Wait, what?
Wait, and you two were friends?
No! No!
I had no idea you guys were alien robots the whole time.
You know, now that I think about it, I do remember Jalen acting weird. And I told you about it!
Wait, really? I don't remember that at all.
Do you ever actually listen to me?
Mike, seriously, bro. I need your help, man. Mike, he's coming.
Every time you do this, I'm trying to write an email. You call him, Oscar. I'm trying to do work. I'm glad you guys are back to normal.
What are you guys doing? I have like 17 voicemails from you guys talking about taking over the world or something.
Wait a minute. Why did it say modified today? Oh, that's what they were doing. It's a good thing they didn't see this.